ko ng paninda.
Coca-Cola. Oh my!
Kumusta pa kanya na? Hello, Sir Michael. Sis Rice. Shout out. Busy-busyhan. Thank you, thank you. I-front natin. Ayusin lang natin. Kita kasi ng madlang people na nakalive ako. Nahiya sila. Salamat sa pagpunta. Sis Rai, Sir Michael, thank you. na yung good finger. Ako na yung good finger. Dali. Wala doon.
These are the funniest Roblox animations because at number 2, Bro thought she would punch him 9 to 10 times.
Oh, it's when like punching 9 to 10 times? No, oh, well, he's behind you. I really close.
And at number 3, Bro realized that he is cooked.
It's like the first off.
No, this is my last. Everybody,
And at number 5, our teachers want us to leave school during the fire. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your favorite one.
you get that baby for 5 million bucks.
These are the funniest Roblox animations because at number 2, Bro thought she would punch him 9 to 10 times.
Oh, it's when like punching 9 to 10 times? No, oh, well, he's behind you. I really close.
And at number 3,
coffee contamination.
Violet's gonna be mad.
Ah!
And then you're not gonna be her favorite anymore.
Ah!
Then I'll be her favorite.
Mommy is so cute. Love that. They're both so cute.
Remember, don't cheat me. Is she okay? Okay, bro, what is this? Bringing the best coffee contaminated. Mama! 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 Unang pa hindi pa ako. Wala si. You, after, Hindi. Oh, tiwasang ako, Mama! Mama! Tiwasang ako. That is wrong. Kaning ako pa kaning. Ako kaning si Ama. Yay!
Galing. Galing.
Mama,
So,
I'm gonna do the pasta. I'm gonna do the pasta one. I'm gonna do the pasta
interesting
wrong.
to
Wrong.
company. Alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 100%. Yes, yes,
Well, we're gonna be going through a lot of training and I have a question, Kanika.
yes.
It says here in your resume, right here, right here,
Babae tayo?
Ang lamig.
court stuff,
Hindi.
right?
Tayo.
YouTuber?
Ako mag-ikot pa.
Kaya mama mo kape.
Ikot tayo. I wanna action! Di ba?
Aircon. JM mo kong aircon.
Mama, wala ba? Asa plate kami na? Mama, saan yung dito? Mama! Mama!
Why is it buzzing? My ears.
Ate, una, Mama, gusto mo masit ako pasira? Ako sit? Masira?
Okay, I get it.
Okay!
ABCD.
Wala masira. Ako so sorry.
See, it's purple. Wait.
And look at this, guys. There's so many silence here. Why though? How can you got the pushing all of the sudden, my guys, and then you still got hurt? But about that today now, when you're on we're all back. We're all brothers. I don't know. Alright, so really about the silences. So many silence. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, I can't count them, guys. Alright, I'm out now, baby. Oh, they're all fine. Like that. Let's go. No, I don't even know what media it is, bro. It's just a picture, it's floating, and it's just floating around. Where is the silences? The silence says, oh my goodness, yeah. Alright, let's refresh this. Ahmed, adopt Simon, all of them. Simon says, stay there. Okay, yes, adopt them. Only one got happy. Bro, how about the other one? No. Are you all twins, guys? And why you got all the same entries though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, okay, I lost that. This is 5, 8 silences. You have to do that in the video somewhere. Please don't forget to like and subscribe or else I'ma make them subscribe. And I do that. And you don't like it when you, and I tell you, bro. My water is vanishing with this all of you like you, bro. You don't even get me.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Please buy me some medicine for my headache. Okay. Ano? Pawisan. 4. Gusto mo 4, kapatid?
Apa.
4, kapatid. Gusto mo? Or yung bilog? Anong gusto mo? Yan ang gamot ko dito sa sakit ng ulo. Thank you naman sa mga nagpunta at nag-thumbs up. Init? Magbutas tayo ng mga chichirya. Chichirya. Para isasabit na lang. Ay. Anak yun. Ayun nga, gamot nga sa sakit ng ulo mo yan.
Great way to end it though. Let's move on to the next video. Next is the Pizza Parents Stadium.
Yung palang meron akong gamot, wala ako nung kabayo, yung naninipa, wala pa ako nun. Gusto mo ba nun, kapatid? Deliver ko dyan. Rubin! Sige ba tayo? Sige ka.
Go in for the attack, please. Oh my gosh, silent speed. It's gonna be close. Oh, I know. Chelsea with this winning. Yes.
Thank you, 5 million viewers. Ang init, pawis na pawis.
Pagkatigis mo.
Yan.
It's my katigis mo.
Ano, sabi mo?
Can't you was a mama scared?
Saan?
With the sugat?
Kita mo? Baho ng bata.
Matabi ba tayo, ma?
Naligo ba tayo? Naligo pala tayo. Kala ko baho pala. Ay, wala na dyan. Over. Kapata.
What do you rate this stadium? Too dangerous? Fun enough.
Just na, inaantok na ako.
Okay, next stadium. Introducing the
Malapit nang magsarado ang tindahan. Oo, di ba? 7-Eleven to eh. 7-Eleven, malapit na mag-11. Mukha na rin namang tindahan si Jenalyn. Oh, den. Oh, di ba? Mukha ng tindahan. At ang pinaka-customer ko yung tao dito sa bahay. Ay, Ate Ellen, shout out. At walang brief si Ate Ellen. Yan, okay na pa. Good evening, good morning po sa iyo dyan, Ate Ellen. Antok na ako. Good evening, host. Good evening po sa iyo dyan, sa inyong lahat dyan. Mag-update lang ako, ilang minutes lang. Namila akong mga sabon kanina kasi Sabado bukas Laba Day. Mga sabon, mga downy. Wag yung box na yan, may laman yan. Ito nga, sa'yo na to. O, dyan mo pa ikutin. Go, dali. Ano yun, sir? Ano yun, sir? Karaoke ka pa, tulog na si Aros.
I wanna go.
Bring your team in.
Ma, I wanna take it.
No! Ibalik mo yan, bro. Tama, mahuhulog yan, be.
Ma, I want to get together.
Iba naman yan eh. Iba yan dun sa laruan mo. Trompo yan, hindi yan Beyblade na tulad sa'yo.
Lost. That's such a shame. Literally, we made it through all the way out.
Yan ba? Yan.
Sabi nang hindi yan ganon. Iba yan. No! Ay, ang kulit naman ni Jay ah. Iba nga yung laruan nila sa laruan mo.
My other favorite on top of yours. Now we're both free. Come on, Shinobi, I know you could sacrifice yourself to make Iron Man stop spinning.
Kita ka, boss. Kita yung amo ko.
Just hit Iron Man. I know that
of my days where he's having us stand like
Kita yung mala Adonis mong katawan.
what's night falling over? Take out shadows.
Akit na doon kay Papa Be.
Alright, the next video is to walk.
Akit na doon kay Papa.
No, this kind of walk right here. Oh, that's... Yeah. I don't think you can read this. Like, edit it in the future.
Anyway, let's see if we get it crazy. Because wait, I have to save it and AI and do a go shoot. Go shoot. We're gonna have to do that. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot.
Ma,
Mag-refill tayo, refill.
ah, 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 ah.
I know it's only 5 matches, but this is way too early for me. Go shoot.
Mayan, medyo small lang. Small.
Go shoot.
Ma, ito malaki. Hindi, small lang ma. Small lang. Yan ma? Yan?
Ano, sa'yo.
Hindi. Ma, hindi ma. Ma. Ganit ito. Focus. 10 seconds mama. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Wait. I think it's one. Ma,
10 seconds.
Mama.
Ano ba yun?
Just wait.
Ano bang gagawin?
Fly.
Saan ko itatali?
Hindi, tito. Hindi makatawan eh, now.
Saan ko ay itatali? Diyan. Tapos, ano gagawin mo?
Ano naman eh. Kati ko.
Itali ko dyan. Tapos,
Ito.
di talaga yan itatali.
Oh, ito nga.
Tapos, ano gagawin mo?
So,
Ulit mo eh.
Maya po po tingnan sa ito. Happy yan.
Ako mamaya pa mag-update sa live.
Kuting mo.
Para ayaw na iisip mo, Jaya. Hi, kuya. Sino kuya? Si bossing. Nakita mo yung bossing ko, Ate Helen? Ito mo yung bossing ko, yung amo ko. Circle ko.
The power of Sphinx is unreal. 31. Go.
31.
Papa,
36
mo
yun.
ito. Ma, yan big. Katapon. Yan ma.
Sugar. Magkano yun?
This is what you need to get this game. You're getting it free. Yes, they're all different.
39.
I've got one more stadium.
Have you opened this?
So stay tuned. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Tapos yung asikal.
I get it!
53.25.
We're not going to stop you guys. We're going to take you further. We can do this kind of thing on this channel. So we're going to turn up the heat. We're going to battle and see how they react to this stadium full of water. So you ready to go, man?
Uy, madali yung ano. Papasok yan sa electric pan, be. Tsaka, doon ka na sa taas maglaro niyan, dali.
Ma, hindi kuting, ma. Kuting yan. Ma, yan, kuting yan, kuting. Please, ma. Tito kuting, tito kuting.
Anong kuting? Gunting.
Kuting.
Go.
So,
Gunting. Ayaw.
dito tawa, ma. Ayun! Ito na!
Ito ka. Magkano? 10.
Go Black Shell. I'm using it to defend like a shield. There's like no friction in the stadium, so they let's go set flying. They were so powerful in the last battle. The power is unreal. Because the turrets was better. Now let's see how these basements run a huge battle royale. This is gonna be crazy. Here's one. Go shoot. Oh my gosh! Look at that. There's a rough still spinning in our first spin. First finishes. Yeah. Who's gonna win? Anything with one show again. Yes, go back to that. Which one? Go show. One of the builders literally got thrown down standing before I launched. And I was still standing there, I was on hand in the leg. How does Sphinx make it so far?
And playing Falcons was S tier once again.
Yeah. Okay. Which one? Go shoot. Sounds like thunder.
Ayan na.
Why not? Pretty up. Now, if you thought that was this video crazy, check out this video where that was only made for the first drivers. Subscribe if you love gameplay.
Ano lang? Tang. Orange, pineapple, at saka Nestle. Pineapple ba? Yellow pa? Asa na siguro na lang. Sir the one. Hello. Ano nangyari? Good evening, Sir the one. Ang ulit na mo. Puncture. Ano yung puncture? Please buy it. Do you have any eggs? Yeah, I have. There. Kita mo nandun. Ilang itlog ang kailangan mo? Ano yung puncture? Tuslok. Puncture. Hindi nga ako puncture yung thumbs up. Yung maalat po. Ay, wala. Wala pang ganon. Ketchup. UFC 12. 15. Nagpa-price ako ng mga so dito na. Sir, the one. Miss Gigi, baka ikaw may itlog maalat ka dyan. Naghahanap sir the one. Itlog maalat daw. Anong itlog po meron? Di kasi ako nakain ng itlog ng 45 days. Itlog to ng 46 days. Pwede na to sa'yo. Itlog ng 46 days. Itlog ni Joselito maalat. Ay, tinikman, Sir Dawan. Tinikman. Alam niyang maalat. Tinikman. Sabihin kita kay pare. Sinisiraan mo yung lasa ng itlog niya. Walang tikim na nangyari. Walang tikim. Paano masabing maalat? Wala si Pagong. Nasa bakasyon si Pagong.
One, two, three, go! I just go!
Asan si Pagong mo? Bakasyonisto. Si Pagong niya. Lapit ako, wag sara.
Subscribe to Seal and meet more seals.
Masisira yan, bebe.
More seals. More seals.
Silok.
Oh, dede.
Akit na dun. Shh. Uy. Oh, dirty yan. Saan mo yung pinaan? Ang mapawis mo. Akit na dun, di papa dali. Uy. Akit na dun, papa. Nag-attendance ka na ba, sis MM? Saan? Kay nanay? Oo. Tapos na ako dun sa 3. Ay, dun sa mga binaba niya. Ba, may attendance pala dito. Present na ako, ha? Hindi dito. Okay, sige. Mag-check pa ako later. Ay, nagsisendan pa pala akong ano. Papanalo ng mga nakaraan nila. Saset ko na ngayon. Pag ako matulog. Dirty sabi. May panalo ako dun ah. Oo, may 100 ka. Sisend ko na mamaya bago ako matulog. May 100 ka dun. Kita ko. Yung sponsor ni Ate Yetby. Tag 100 kayo ni Shirley. Uy, may utang na naman ako. Hala. Ano yun? Ang pangit mo. Thank you, Sis Gigi. Shout out dyan sa 6 million na nandyan. Imik-imik naman kayo. Walang wifi na naman si Kulits. Parang no internet na naman yun ah. Maya-maya ako magsasara kasi Friday ngayon. May mga bibili pa yan ng alak maya-maya. Di ka ba naglaba, MM? Wala kang sampah. Hindi po, sir. Bukas ako maglalaba. Napagod na ang nagtinda ako kanina sa school. Tapos, pagkatapos ko magtinda, namili ako ng pantinda ko dito sa bahay. Tapos, pagdating ko, nagluto ako. Tapos, ito, nag-ayos ako ng mga binili ko. Pagod na ang lola. Data lang daw ang gamit niya kahapon pa. Ako, nagbabad na ako mga puti ni Joseli. Bukas ako maglalaba. Bukas, tapos sa hapon, gagawa naman ako ice candy kasi nahanap nila yung yung fruit salad na flavor ng ice candy. Wala na, ubusan na ako. Pwede mo ba idamay damit ko? Ano na? Padala mo dito, sir, bukas. Saglit lang yung tapak-tapakan. Maselan ka ba sa damit? Baka maselan ka sa laban ng damit. Tinatapak-tapakan ko lang yung labahin ko. Kakatamad maglaba ngayon, umuulan, hirap ang sampayan. Maulan pa rin dito sa amin, hindi. Ano lang, ambon-ambon, tas mainit na ulit. I'm too lazy to do laundry now. It's raining. The clothes line is hard to use. Oh my, why are you stepping on a duck? Ganun ako maglaba, sir. Tinatapak-tapakan ko lang. Tapos, banlaw na. Okay lang ba sa'yo yung ganong laba? O gusto mo dyan kay Sis Gigi, nakakatatlong babad bago banlawan. 3 kusot, kukusutin niya ngayon, tapos babad, bukas ulit, kusot, babad, tapos kinabukasan, kusot, babad ulit, saka babanlawan sampay. Ano ka, pato? Sa bigat ko ba naman to kundi magtanggalan yung mga libag-libag na yan? Maselan ka ba sa damit, Sir Ehem? Sa laban ng damit? Nagluding-luding. Naku, bakit mo to? Gigi, paano ka maglaba? Yan. Madaming yan, sir, babad. Lalo pag puti ang damit mo. Kaya, sure na sure, malinis. Bago i-deliver sa'yo, sobrang linis na. Binababad pa sa suka. Kaya yung mga anghit-anghit tanggal. P60. Kukusot-kusot lang ang gamit. Depende. Gusto ko, pag maglaba ka nakapantalon ka at naka-gloves. Agoy. Parang di ko mararamdaman yung kinukusot ko nun sir pag naka-gloves ako. Ba't kailangan nakapantalon? Ba't kailangan nakapantalon? Hindi sakit na sakit yung bilbil ko noon kung nakapantalon ako. So how do you rub? Gigi. Kita doon kita po na. May tayo water na. Wow. Yung damit mo, sir, mabilis lang yan lalaban ni Sis Gigi kasi mga decolor. Pag puti lang, inaabot ng 3 days na babad. Diba, Sis Gigi? Pero mga decolor naman yun eh. Tulog na kayo. 11 na, oh. Magsitulog na kayo. Mag-end na rin naman ako maya-maya. Sandaway, matulog kaya. Bawal ka magpuyat. Sakit na, be. Doon kay Papa. The Hunter TV official. Good evening po. Hello, sir. Thank you for coming. Hello, sir. ¿Cómo estás? Ano yun? How are you? I'm good. How about you, sir? I'm fine. Antok na talaga ako. Rest day na ng yaya bukas. Where are you from? Parang kilala ko to. Ay, hindi ba? Akala ko si Sir Ehem din. I'm from the Philippines. Mabuhay. How about you, sir? Where are you from? Sis Gigi, tulungan mo ako dito. ¿Cómo estás? You're from Indonesia? I know. ¿Cómo estás? Espanyol. Ah, you're from Spanish. Thank you for coming, sir. Kaya mo yan. Mag-anak. Do you know how to speak Tagalog, sir? If I speak English, sir, my nose is bleeding. Oh no, oh my God. Ano daw? Porque me regla no casta. Ano daw? Ano ba sa'yo? Ay, ito pa. Burger, mangga. Saan na siya? Ano ng mga pinagsasabi niya?
Hindi makautang yan. Makautang yan. Ba't hindi?
Ha? Anong ano? Camel? Camel? Ang sa? Kausapin mo sis Gigi, ano na bang sinabi? Naka 1 hour na ako, mag-end na ako. May regla daw siya. With everything to do. The 9. Ano daw? With everything to the 9. Ano daw? You know, miss, were you in the Philippines? Again na ako. Sir the Hunter, TV official. Thank you for coming, sir. But I need to say goodbye. Bye, sis. Good night. Thank you, sis. Tulog ka na. My stream is already one hour. Thank you, sir, for coming. Bye-bye. Sir Ahem, thank you.